Hey, what's up, BitTorrent holder? So what's going BitTorrent holder, brother? Today video is going to be very special because BitTorrent going very fastly. You can see here plus 20.73% then go up. So congratulations BitTorrent. This is very urgent video for BitTorrent holder. If you are a BitTorrent holder, then keep watch this 2-minute video. I hope they give you a very good information. So let's get started this BitTorrent brand video. But before I get started this brand video, I request you, my brother, to please subscribe ABS Tech channel if you are new this channel, because this channel provide you a very latest and very urgent news and information about all cryptocurrencies. So hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. Please subscribe channel. So guys, first of all, I'm gonna show you the last 24-hour chart. Last 24-hour chart is almost very positive. So this is good news for I hope they make a record and the crypto. You can see here this time plus 21.45% they gone after just and 24 hour. So this is one of the unique chain. Everybody knows in those days every cryptocurrency totally goes down. But I don't know how is it possible to BitTorrent has gone very fastly like a rocket. So this is good news from all brothers. If you can see here, the latest price is almost very high, gone high, 0.009686 US dollar as the latest price. So this is absolutely a crush result, and I hope in upcoming days they go like a rocket, guys. So let's check out the last 3 day result to what's going on. And the last 3 days result is almost very important for the decision to what we do in this critical situation: sell, buy or hold. So guys, they are loading. Please subscribe this ABS Tech channel because this is very important to you subscribe. Okay, so guys, this time you can see here the Chinese, oh my goodness, they gone and negative. They minus 17.7% gone and negative. So wow, congratulations again, because they totally goes down. So but they take a small dumps. But and those days everybody know this is the second week of this month start now, and the second week is very good because the second week has the BitTorrent chain. You can see here the chain is very good. They 21% gone off like a rocket. So this is absolutely very good news for all holder. Okay, my brothers, if you check out the last 1 hour result as totally a negative. So this time you can see here the totally a negative. They take a small jump, but they take again dump. So this is gone very bad. But I hope in the mid of this month, I hope they give us a very good result and very good price. And I hope they make you a millionaire. They give you a very good profit. So what you say, this is good time to sell or buy? My opinion is that this is good time to buy more. If you have any plan, then buy it and wait for the end of the month and just sell it, and then they make you a millionaire. They give you a good profit. What you say, please share it in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.